Welcome to Off the Beat Travels. Enjoy the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to Off the Beat Travels. As promised, we're going to take you on a journey around the world to explore some of our favorite budget-friendly and luxury destinations. So, buckle up, and let's get started. Our first stop is Southeast Asia, where we explored the vibrant cultures and beautiful landscapes of Thailand, Vietnam, and Indonesia. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the tranquil beaches of Bali, we discovered that there's something for everyone in this part of the world. And speaking of everyone, one of the best things about Southeast Asia is that it's so affordable, which means you can indulge in some of the most amazing street food without breaking the bank. We also found that there are plenty of affordable transportation options, such as local buses and tuk-tuks, which can save you a lot of money on transportation costs. After Southeast Asia, we headed to Europe to indulge in some of the continent's most luxurious destinations. From Paris to the French Riviera, we checked out the best 5-star hotels, Michelin-starred restaurants, and high-end shopping districts. While in Europe, we found that the shoulder seasons, April to May and September to October, are the best times to travel if you're looking to save money and avoid the crowds. And let me tell you, it was a dream come true. But don't worry, we also found some budget-friendly options for those of you who want to experience Europe without spending a fortune. While in Paris, we visited the iconic Eiffel Tower, but we also found some lesser-known spots like the Palais Royal Gardens, which are a great place to relax and enjoy the Parisian atmosphere. Next up, we headed to Africa to experience the magic of the Serengeti, the beauty of Cape Town, and the rich cultural heritage of Morocco. From safari adventures to rooftop cocktails, we had an amazing time exploring this incredible continent. If you're traveling to Africa, we recommend visiting the local markets, where you can find unique souvenirs and interact with the locals. We also discovered that many African countries have stunning beaches, like the ones we visited in Mozambique, which are perfect for soaking up the sun and enjoying some water sports. And one of the best things about traveling to Africa is meeting the locals and experiencing their unique culture. We had so much fun learning about their traditions, trying their food, and making new friends. And finally, we ended our journey in the Americas, where we explored the stunning landscapes and vibrant cities of North and South America. From the beaches of Miami to the mountains of Patagonia, we had an unforgettable time discovering new places and trying new things. In North America, we visited some of the most famous cities like New York and Los Angeles, but we also found hidden gems like Charleston, South Carolina, which has a charming southern atmosphere and a rich history. When traveling to South America, it's important to plan your itinerary carefully, as there are many different regions and climates to consider. We recommend visiting during the dry season to avoid the rainy weather. And if you're an adventure seeker like me, there are plenty of activities to do in both North and South America. From hiking in the Andes to surfing in California, we tried it all. But don't worry, we also found some budget-friendly options like hiking in national parks or exploring the local neighborhoods. So there you have it, our journey around the world to explore some of our favorite budget-friendly and luxury destinations. We hope we've inspired you to start planning your own travels and explore this incredible world. Remember, there's always something new to discover, whether you're on a budget or looking for a luxury experience.